Down Marv over here again. We are in the beautiful Williston, Florida. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new champion home model, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's check it out, guys. Look at that view. Alrighty, so let's start off with a gorgeous total property shot. So we're rocking over here a total of 1.37 acres, folks. 1.37 acres. That bad boy comes all the way back here. So this is where the property line starts. Driveway is nice and leveled. We're walking on in. And we're gonna start to notice a couple of our brand new items. So bless the boys that came out here and hooked up our electrical. Thank you so much, Energy Team. And then we're gonna have our brand new AC system over here that'll be taking care of the house. And then we got the brand new water pump over here. And we brought the gravel driveway all the way up, folks, so that you could park your car and then just walk right onto your home. Here we go. So the acreage is gonna stretch all the way back there. Tons of room for creativity. Look at that, folks. Beautiful Williston, Florida. Got a little bit of a sunset going on here. Here's some more of the backyard. 10 feet of sod all around the home. Soak it all in, folks, as we get you wake up to every single morning. Beautiful. Peace and quiet. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Check out the little side shot of the house over here. There we go, guys. So let's go through the main entrance. Let me wrap back around over here. So again, this is in a no money down area using the government's help in the form of their USDA loan. If y'all can show up to the table with the USDA requirements, we can help you out with the closing costs to make home ownership and almost no out-of-pocket money, no money out-of-pocket experience. There you go. All right, let's walk on in. A little tongue twister there. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're welcomed by the beautiful family room over here. Again, guys, brand new construction. We're at the final steps. So we're gonna be welcomed by the dining room, family room, living room, the whole 9 yards. Windows looking out to the beautiful nature view. And over here we got the beautiful kitchen with all of its brand new appliances, brand new dishwasher, brand new stove, tons of cabinet room, refrigerator. Then we got the laundry unit over here, electrical box over here, and then you can consider this your side door. Go back out there, soak in the landscape. All right, let's go back, check out the rest of the house. So on this 4-bedroom, 2-bath, we're rocking a total of 1,813 square feet, 1,813 square feet. Projected payments over here are about $1,450 a month. $1,450 a month, no money down. Come on in. Huge master bedroom we're walking into over here, folks. Check it out. And over here we got the master bathroom, window, tub, closet. Do a little wait for the camera over here. Come on down. And then we're going into the rest of the house. Again, greeted by that beautiful living room, dining room, family room. 1,813 square feet, sitting on 1.37 acres, zoned agriculture, folks. So let's consider this bedroom number 1. Walking on in. This could be an office, a bedroom. It's gonna come with that beautiful nature view as well. It's got its own closet over here. And then if we wrap around over here to the left, we have a joint bathroom shared by both rooms over here. Okay. Full bath over there. Toilet, shower, sink. Got another room with a beautiful view over here as well. It's got its own window. closet. Champion home, folks. Warren Buffett bringing affordable housing to the area. All right, let's consider this one bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3. Okay, we got another window going out here into the landscape. It's got its own little closet area as well. And let's go back out. So yeah, guys, quick little recap. 4 bedroom, 2 bath, no money down. We got you on closing costs if we're not paying commissions. 1.37 acres. Projected prices are $1,450 a month. Come on in, give us a call. Safe IRA Group, 941-350-6483. And this is No Money Down Marv. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Take care.